I am Dharmendra Nautiyal, Managing Director, Prima Power India. We are a machine tool manufacturing company for offering solutions to our customers for sheet metal applications. Headquartered in Italy, having manufacturing facilities in various countries including US, China, Italy, and India. In India, we are assembling certain kind of machines for automotive applications. We are participating in ACMEE exhibition in Chennai in the month of June. We have selected to be a part of this exhibition because we wanted to showcase our 3D laser technology in this exhibition. Chennai being the hub of automotive markets, we found it appropriate to showcase our 3D lasers to this market in Chennai. In automotive industry, one of the applications for the 3D machines is hot form part cutting. There are many OEMs and tier 1 suppliers who are using 3D hot form parts in manufacturing and in car industry. During the exhibition, we shall be showcasing the 3D laser technology with live demonstration at our booth. We invite our customers to visit the booth, meet our technology experts and application people, and have a face-to-face discussions and gather some information on this technology.